Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through how to quickly set up invoices, packing slips, and credit notes using the WooCommerce PDF Invoices, Packing Slips, and Credit Notes plugin by WebToffee. Quick heads up before we dive in. This pro plugin works alongside the free WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips plugin. So, make sure both plugins are installed and activated on your site. Once that's done, head over to Invoice Packing from your WordPress dashboard. If you've just installed both the free and pro plugins, you'll be guided through a quick setup wizard. This wizard helps you add your store details, choose which order emails should include PDF invoices, and set up a custom invoice number format. When you're setting up the number format, you'll be able to add a prefix or suffix, choose between using the order number or your own custom sequence, set where the numbering starts, and decide how many digits the number should have. It's a great way to keep your invoices neat, branded, and easy to track. Want to make changes later? Just head to Invoice or Packing on your dashboard and click Invoice. From there, you can change which order statuses automatically generate invoices. By default, it's set to Processing and Completed. Choose which emails should include the invoice PDF. Update your invoice number format and explore other customization options. Don't forget to click Update Settings to save any changes. Next up, Packing Slips. Go to Invoice or Packing from the dashboard and click Packing Slip. Here, the main setting is to automatically generate and send packing slips based on order status. Just select the order statuses under the Email Packing Slip automatically to option. Want to send packing slips to someone specific? Choose Custom Email as the order status, save your settings, and then add the recipient's email address using the link provided. You also have some handy options to customize how your packing slips look. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Update Settings. Finally, let's set up credit notes. To configure them, go to Invoice or Packing and click Credit Note. Credit notes are automatically generated when an order is refunded. Here's what you can do. Choose which order statuses should trigger a credit note. Usually, they're created for fully refunded orders, but you can also include partially refunded ones. Just select the relevant statuses. Make sure credit notes are sent to customers automatically when a refund email goes out. Customize your credit note number format, just like with invoices. Add a prefix or suffix, choose between order-based or custom numbers. Set the starting number and define the total length. Once you're done, click Update Settings to apply everything. And that's it. Your store is now all set to automatically generate and send PDF invoices, packing slips, and credit notes. For in-depth guides, tips, and advanced configurations, our documentation has you covered. And of course, if you ever need a hand, our support team is just a click away.